In this video, I'm going to explain how opening a real account on TradingView works. So you have a few different options. The first one will be creating a free account and then hovering over brokers. And then here you want to select open an account. Once you click on open an account, it is going to show you all of the supported brokers. So here you can sort them by stocks, crypto, forex, CFDs, ETFs. And you want to scroll down until you see a broker which you like. For example, here let's do active trades as an example, and you will click on open account. That is going to tell you or take you to that specific broker's website, and you will have to open an account through them, and the process may vary. Now, if you already have an account and you want to use that real account on TradingView, you will click on products, super charts, and then you will need to connect the brokers. So here, connect through our trusted partners. You will need to find your broker whom you have a real account with, and then you will just click on that specific broker. It is going to ask you to sign into the account and connect it. So we'll click on connect, and then that is pretty much how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.